Hey guys, it's Ben here, Jamewao, your manifestation coach and friend. Anyway, what I want to share with you is how to manifest your job or your dream job. Okay, I was thinking like which topic should I choose, but either one it's okay because they're both kind of related. Um, uh, Early on, I did a recording on how your personality creates your personal identity. I highly recommend you listen to it also because it is related. However, in short, um, uh, let's say I have a Facebook group on Jobs Corner. Okay, on Facebook, it's called Jobs Corner. She shares Jobs Corner, and now I see a lot of people are joining the group. So which shows like a lot of people are looking for a job basically. Okay, so this is a little inspiration for you guys, not just the people in my group but anywhere around the world. Okay, um, uh, first it is important to realize that you are the creator of your reality. Okay, and everything and everyone is you pushed out. Okay, so let's say you have a desire to have a pen. Okay, um, uh, you might call it law of attraction, you might call it coincidence. um, uh, Sooner or later somebody bring you a pen, but however it's not just that pen, it might be a pen that you were looking for. Okay, the type of pen or the like maybe it's a company's pen or it's a festival pen. Okay, it's a country's pen, like a souvenir or something. Okay, so or however sometimes you find yourself, you're going to some place and then you feel intuitively guided to look at the window in the shop or something. You find that specific pen that you was looking for. Okay. um, uh, I'm just like um, I'm just trying to make sense of this principle. Some of it we may call it law of attraction, some of it may call it law of assumption or something. But either way, the whole world, okay, is you push out. Everything is 99.999% empty space energy. Okay, so the whole everything starts from within. It starts from inside you first, and that's how our thoughts manifest. Basically, it's like we project it. Okay, so however, if you're having self-doubt in yourself, you have some negative blocks, energy blocks, and even mental blocks, like limiting beliefs. That is why it is important to have access to a well manifestation coach, because we help you in this line. We help you to remove those blocks. Okay, however, for now I want to share these tips with you, these tools, this empowerment, so that it will help. Okay, a lot of people get help also, because they affirm their desired reality. Okay, so it's a step. And also for those who's in our Facebook challenge, our manifestation challenge, it's a good approach to, it's like you are creating a new reality. And what happened when you are creating a new reality, like Proctor says in with the paradigm thing. Okay, that's my best touch to it. You will experience resistance. Okay, so it is important to that's what we do in the Facebook challenge. If you don't want to get into the coaching, you can start with the Facebook challenge. For now, in July 2020 is just $25 once. Okay, and you can start build up this habit. Okay, this habit of manifestation, not just with the job but with other areas. Okay, so when you practice with other areas and you are seeing other people being successful in their intention, in their manifestation, it gives you more confidence. It raises your vibration. And even the tools that I share in there, it's beautiful. I'm like very happy, very satisfied with how things are going. Okay, and the group is growing daily. So anyway, that aside, okay, to get back to the main topic, how to manifest a job or your dream job. So but first you need to know what job you want to have. Okay, how much money you want to have per month. Okay, let's say let's say you want to have $500 per month or $1,000 per month. Okay, you affirm that I'm happy and grateful that I have $500 per month, or I'm happy and grateful that I have $1,000 per month. It can be even $10,000 per month, okay, or more. So it's just you affirming that truth into your reality. Now, if there's this is the aspect of paradigm also again. If you are not used at manifesting $10,000 per month, don't go there much. Okay, start where you were before or a little higher that you want to. Okay, so either way, if it's not about the exact amount, okay, but you want some sort of income for you and your family, okay, you can just affirm to yourself that amount of income that you want to have. Okay, that's one aspect of it. Okay, there are other aspects whereby it is important to during the day, monitor your thoughts, engage in activities like meditation, okay, personal development. That is where you will build up, create that new reality, that new personal identity. Okay, that ultimately what we do on our side, as you can hear, or if you've been listening to my recording for quite a while, ultimately what you do is like knowing, because you already are, or you already have what you desire. Okay, you already are, you already have what you desire. Okay, but however, it's just a matter of like, it's a mental clarity. Okay, the conscious mind or the ego mind, it doesn't want to let go easily or let go of the old reality. Okay, or which in a way, or in a sense, that's okay. That's a good safety mechanism for us, because sometimes you don't know what you're going into. You cannot just jump onto anything or any type of beliefs nowadays. Okay, so it is important to grow into it, to get acquainted to those materials. Okay, so you can take it step by step. That's why I recommend, like, if you want to go further into this, check out our Facebook group challenge, our Patreon group. Okay, it's only $25 once, and start. I think I put 5 daily challenge, but it's not just like 1 simple, but it's like good task. Okay, to help you step by step on this path. Okay, so to help you step by step on this path, a simple task whereby you share you write and share your manifestation, and you support, compliment others. Okay, there is a PDF there in the group that explains what are those tasks. Okay, but the key thing I want to put across or share across is that building, is that wiring, neurons or neural pathways wired together. Okay, so it's that wiring of new neural pathways in your brain. Okay, all minds function similar. So it's just and when in moments of down or doubt, fear, okay. So this is where the coaching, the empowerment, the teamwork. If you want to get on the coaching with me, it's okay, feel free. But you will need that push now, okay. It is a time, like, to self good. However, the amazing thing with what you're learning, or if you are still listening to this right now, just to, how can I say it, I'm not offering jobs, but I'm offering coaching opportunities, coaching businesses, okay. So this is something that you can maybe look into in the future when you find you've mastered this type of teaching that I'm sharing with you. And wow, 2020 is the year, guys, okay. A lot of people has transitioned or is transitioning to a lot of jobs, okay, or they are looking for income opportunities. So 2020, I think from the whole global crisis, it will take a while for the world to get back on its feet, okay. A lot of people has, a lot of people, but a lot of people hasn't. So and even like a lot of people has learned a lot of lessons, okay. So that's why they are looking, like you are looking for income opportunities or job opportunities. I'm offering business coaching opportunities, and if that's something is of interest for you, you are willing to do the work, feel free to reach out to me. I will share with you my coaching program and how you can earn $250 or more per day, okay. So it's a business opportunity, this not a job. But yeah, guys, yeah, it's a business. Your business can launch as that fast, because from the mastery that you will get in our Facebook challenge and coaching, okay. So thank you for listening. Happy job hunting. Remember, um, what you are looking for is looking for you also, okay. So you already have what you are looking for. Okay, but it's just a matter of alignment. It's just a matter of, like, you consistently, mentally and physically aligned to it, okay. um, uh, Thank you for listening. I'm Benjamin Wao, your manifestation coach, helping you manifesting your dream one move at a time. Thank you for listening. Bye for now. Feel free to check out our free Facebook group below. You can join and you know share your views, comments, okay, and network with other people. Thank you for listening. Bye for now. Ciao.